or got stuck in traffic with no idea when it will end. That's literally a while loop in real life. Today we are diving into the most powerful and sometimes misunderstood concept in Python, the while loop. But hey, before we start, like the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Coding with Jolly John. Stick around till the end. We will break it down with all real life examples and logics, mistakes to avoid, and even some fun. Let's go. What is while loop? A while loop is used when you don't know how many times a block of code should repeat. It runs as long as a condition is true. What is the syntax? Here is the syntax you can check. While you need to provide the condition, colon, indentation you need to write with some block of code. Let's see one real life example. Like waiting at a bus stop, you keep waiting while the bus has not arrived yet. Let's start a real time example with some programs. Customer says, just fill until the tank is full. We don't know the total rupees, so use a while loop. Let's take here amount equal to start with 0, tank full equals to false. So we'll rotate a loop while not tank full, then amount equals to, we are going to add every time 10 rupees. Print filled rupees amount. If amount equal to 100, then tank full equal to. So let's check once again. We'll execute the code. So here you can see it is started filling the data 10, 20, 30, 40 like this till it will reach to the tanks. Let's try another program. We'll see one real-time example related to phone charging. You charge your phone while battery less than 100%. You can observe here battery equal to, it is reached 30%. Then I'm rotating a loop while battery less than 100. Then what you need to do? Print charging battery. So here I'm writing battery, printing the data battery. Now we are incrementing battery equal to 10%. I'm increasing every time. Let's run the code and check. So executed. When while loop will be failed? If the condition is never true, the loop won't run at all. Now we'll see the code. X equal to 10 while x is less than or equal to 5. Then here print this won't print. Now let's execute. Now you can see there is no output is print because 10 less than or equal to 5 condition failed. So loop will never execute. Loop is failed. Now what not to do with while loop? Forgetting to update condition will cause an infinity loop. Let's take x equal to 1. Then while loop x less than or equal to 5. Print x value infinite loop. Because here I'm not incrementing this x value. Now execute the code. You can see it is keep on printing one only. I hope you understood. Why? Because here this x plus equal to 1 incrementation, it was, you see, this statement was missing. Like real time example, if you observe watching just one more YouTube short and it never ends. No, correct, right? We are going to discuss very interesting thing, while else. How the if else is there in the same way while else in Python, but it is different. The else part runs after the loop finishes normally. Real time logic. Trying 3 ATM pins when done, show code locked or try later. We'll see once again. Try pin equal to 1. Try pin equal to 1 while try pin is less than or equal to 3. 3 conditions I'm taking. Pin equal to input function, enter pin. If pin equal to 1, 2, 3, print pin valid. Else print pin invalid. When the pin is invalid, then I'm incrementing the count. Try pin equal to 1. Then here we'll write else. Print code lock or try later. We'll try to run this code. It was asking enter pin. Pin I will provide 145. Pin invalid. 654 invalid. 345. So 3 times the input is invalid. That's why code was locked. The loop is terminated normally. That's why else part is executed. Now we are going for nested loops. A loop inside another loop, like searching in a row and columns. I equal to 1 while loop. I less than or equal to 3. Print row was selected. I. J equal to 1. Print while j less than or equal to print column selected j. Then I will increment j plus equal to, here I plus equal to. Now let's try and check it. Here you can see row was selected 1, column 1, 2. Row was selected 2, column 1, 2. Row was selected 3, column 1, 2. I hope you understood. While inside another while loop. So number of rows in each row and number of columns are there. At that time we need to use this while loop. Now we are learning about break and continue. Break, exit the loop completely when a condition is met. It will exit the loop immediately. Continue, skip the rest of the loop for the iteration and go to the next. It will skip the statements immediately. Break example. You are searching for your lost keys in drawers. Once you find them, you stop searching even if some drawers are left unchecked. Example. Attempt equal to 0. I am going to check the condition while true. Password equals to input, enter password. Attempt equal to 1. If password is equal to 1, 2, 3, then will print access granted. Immediately I will break. Why? Because access granted. Else print invalid, print access, else print account locked. Run the code. So enter password. Password provide 1, 2, 3. Here you can see access granted and it is terminated the loop. Account locked was not printed. Line number 10. This statement is not executed because loop is not terminated normally. Because of some condition it is terminated. Let's try example for continue. You are searching multiple parcels. If one is damaged, you skip it and move to the next without processing. Here you can see n equal to 0 while number less than 10. I will increment number. If number is equal to 5, print skip 5. Skip 5. Then continue. Print processing. Yeah. Let's try and execute. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is skipped. Because of continue, it is traveling to next iteration. So common use case of while loop. Taking user input until correct. Menu driven programs. Waiting for a condition to be met. Monitoring sensors or real life data. Countdown timers or counters. Game loops. Run until quit or game over. Reading a file until the end. Retrying a failed task like network or API calls. Like this n number of cases while loop can be used. Okay, quick challenge for you. What will be this code printer? Tell me in the comments. Personally, I will give the reply to each and every one. That's how the while loop powers logic, automation, and even real life choices. For fixed task, use for loop. For flexible or unknown length, go with while loop. Enjoyed this video? Then like the video, comment your favorite part, subscribe to Coding with Jolly John for more epic content, and share it with your coding friends who keep writing infinite loops. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, keep growing, and keep creating. Thank you so much.